Hello, I'm back again with another video. I'm sorry guys, I'm not showing my face. I hope you guys miss me. If you miss me, please comment down and say I miss you, so that I'll know how much people that miss me. If you are new to my channel, please make sure subscribe, hit that subscribe button there. Please don't forget to like to the video. Please hit the subscribe button so that each and every time when I drop a video, you will be the first one to get this video. You get a notification, guys. So guys, I don't want to waste your time. Let's go into today's video. Boom. The name of the app today guys is called, still loading, is called, I don't want to say the name just because people will jump on the app without them watching this video, and I want you to watch this video until the end so that you won't miss any of my step. So they said I have an unclaimed balance bonus, so let's see. Enter a refer code. I don't have a refer code. Complete your profile. Let's get this 50 point, guys. Let me complete my profile. I'm just registering this app, guys. Some of my friends send me this app, guys, so I want to register. So before registering, I want to share with you guys so that you will go with me along the journey, guys. I want you to have this app with me so that we go on this journey to withdraw. I haven't withdrawn the money, or I didn't make anything, guys, here. So I don't want to lie, I haven't withdrawn yet, but I want to take you along the journey. I want to withdraw with you guys, so please take this seriously, because my guy is using this app. He's having a channel too, guys, so he's using this app, guys. So he told me that this app is so amazing, so I decided to register. So but before registering, I wanted to share with you guys so that we'll go along. I don't remember my date of birth. What the fuck? Month, June. I'm a male. Yeah, 2000. Submit. Okay. Let's see. Wow, guys, we got the 50 points just like that, guys. Boom, we're done. So I don't have a refer code, guys, but you will have the refer code, because I'm gonna give you my refer code so that you'll get the bonus. Let me check this other reward. So yeah, I'm scratching, guys, only scratching. I'm scratching. That's by scratching. Let's see if we get it. We get it right. Let's see if we scratch it right. Oh, we got another 50, guys. Easy as that, yes, guys, as you can see. So what do we have now? We're having surveys. I don't wanna take long, guys, with surveys. I don't wanna take your time, but let's get we are done watching the ad. Let's see what they give us. They give us a 1 point. So yeah, guys, let me highlight it here. You just completing a survey, guys. So just because I don't want to waste time completing some surveys, I don't want this video to be long, so I won't complete the survey with you guys. So but you will complete the survey, guys. You will complete the survey. So let us go back. We have 202 points, guys. As you can see the app, we have 202, guys. So basically, guys, there are so many offers that you can choose here. Look at here, like there are jobs, guys. Here there are jobs. There are a lot of jobs for you, guys. Let me highlight here. Look at here, look at here, these are jobs, guys. And if you go down, you have some surveys, you have some tasks, guys. It's surveys, everything's like this, surveys. Yes. So you just need to complete all of these surveys, guys. So let's go to our calculator. No, we cannot calculate. Okay, guys, as you can see, like 495, 837, 495, 105, 405, 405, 345. Like these are points, guys, and you can redeem your points, guys. You can redeem your points after reaching the amount that they want here. Like, let me check for you how much they need for withdrawal. If you wanna okay, let's check this one. If you wanna withdraw $3, you need 5,250. I mean, it's 5,250 if you wanna withdraw, guys. You just need that. So if you wanna withdraw, let's take, you want $10, you will need 14,500. So $5, you will need 7,750, guys. 7,750 points. So if you want $50, you will need 52,500 points. So as you see there. And you guys, you will need a PayPal, guys. You will need a PayPal to receive these dollars, guys. You will need a PayPal. So if you don't know what is PayPal, and if you don't know how to use PayPal, just comment down and say I don't know PayPal. So I'm gonna make a video for you. Like when I want you to comment is that I want to see how many people that they don't know PayPal and how many people that need help in creating PayPal. So I'm gonna create PayPal for you so that you can receive this cash. So after receiving this cash on PayPal, you're going to withdraw into your local bank account. That's basically what is PayPal. PayPal make it easy for us to withdraw dollars into our bank account, guys. So I'll make a video on that. So we can make money, complete a profile to unlock a research. Like there are a lot of things that you can do, guys. You will come here and look for and check for yourself. There are a lot of things, guys. They give you a daily. I'm done with this daily rewards, guys. They gave me a daily rewards. I took it, I forgot. So guys, I'll see you on the next video. Please make sure you like into my video and subscribe, guys. You'll get the link on my description. You're gonna get the link on my description if you want to register on this app. This app is Karma. It's Karma, Cashkarma, I think. So you'll get the link on my description. Don't forget to use the code. I will leave the code on my description. So when you click the link, they're going to ask for a code. You're gonna use that code because you're gonna get 25% when you use that code. Like you're gonna get points when you register your account, your Cashkarma account. They're gonna give you a point if you use that code, guys. You get 25%, I get 10%. So it's basically win-win. You help me, I help you, we win together. So if you don't use the link, you won't get that points. That's basically what it does. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.